Hello everyone, welcome to Techbites. In this video, we are gonna set up our Android device as a webcam to work without streaming software like OBS Studio. If you have been using Streamlabs OBS or any other streaming software, it's basically the similar process. So let's begin with the process. So in the next step, we'll be downloading the application file for our NDI runtime application. NDI runtime is a small application file which has been provided by a developer named Palagis. So it works with OBS Studio and most of the application that supports NDI. So let's open the download page. So the download page has been provided in the description below, and make sure to download the application from the page provided in the description below. So on the release page, we can see here the Windows installer has been provided here. So let's click on the link below to download the Windows installer for NDI runtime application. And the file size is about 10.1 MB. So my file has been already downloaded, and after the download has been completed, let's proceed towards the installation process. So just click on the file and our installation will start. So now the installation file has been launched, and I click on accept the agreement and click on next. Again click on next. I have already installed the NDI runtime environment, so I would like to install it anyway. Again replace it. So now our application is being installed. So sorry for not completing the downloading process because it's closing my OBS Studio application. So closing the OBS Studio application will stop my recording, so I'm not going to complete the installation process. So after the installation process, make sure to reboot your PC and start with the next step. So the installation is quite easy and it can be completed in a few steps. So if your NDI runtime application has been installed, then we can simply use it for setting up our webcam. So in the next step, we need to download the application for our Android or iOS device. So the app for the iOS device can be downloaded through the App Store. However, the NDI webcam or the NDI NEWTEK NDI app is not available in the Play Store. So we need to download the app from the link that I have provided below in the description. So make sure to download the app from the description provided below. So you just need to open the Chrome app and simply paste the link of the file. And the file will be available for download and we can download it. It's just a very simple application with 1.2 MB file size. So save the file and you are ready to go. So now install the file. Okay, the NDI application or the NEWTEK NDI application has been installed successfully. So in the next step, we should make sure that both the PC and our Android device are connected to the same network. So now we need to start the NEWTEK NDI application on your Android device and then click on the record button. Similarly, we can also set up the quality of our application. We can increase the quality of our camera, and then we can also turn on or off the audio of our device. And similarly, we can also increase the exposure of our device, as well as we can turn on or off the light on our camera. So in this way, the setup of our file for the Android app has been completed, and let's just move towards the PC. On the PC, we need to open our OBS Studio application. So I have already opened the OBS Studio application, and now let's just click on the add source, and then let's add the NEWTEK NDI source. So on the source name, we can see the drop down which shows that localhost Redmi Note 5. I am using a Redmi Note 5 smartphone, so I would select the Redmi Note 5 smartphone, and then for the bandwidth, I'll select with the highest. because it gives the highest quality of our video. And similarly, we will select the sync as source timing. Now click on the OK button, and then our application has been ready. So our Android webcam has been ready, and we can just set up it here. We can increase or decrease the size of the webcam so that it can be used over our any other files that are opening. Let's see here. Let's set our display capture. So I have added my display capture, and in the same way I can use my NDI source as my webcam. And if you would like to crop the video of the webcam, so we can select the filter, and then on the filter we can add effects filter. So click on the filter, and then we could simply select on crop or pad, and in this way we can crop our camera. Sorry, on the NDI source, let's select for the filter, and then click on the effect filter, and then crop or pad. In this way we can crop our unwanted side of the application. So we could simply set our crop to 200. In this way we can crop our application, or we can increase and decrease our size of the webcam. So I think this smartphone application can help the beginners to use their smartphone as a webcam. So if you found this video useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our video, and press the bell button for further notification of similar videos on various aspects. So this much for today. In the next video we will be coming up with various interesting content. So make sure to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.